Well, I don't have anything to say. So this is this. And got the things there. And it's lift outside. Getting the first lift now in the lift in building 51. Which is another anything like that. And why did you get all of these things? They're from the 7th floor. So do you know anything like that? Wow, this has a lot of things. This lift got locked. Is there much more time? Because the lift wasn't electric. Absolutely not. No, because this is the Mudens. Yo. And we cannot ride this lift with all of the things there. We cannot wait.
Planta 7.
More things to pack? No.
¿Dónde?
We're going down back.
Bajando.
Why did it come with all of this?
Planta 5.
What? 5th? I don't went.
Abriendo puerta.
Hello.
Hola.
What are you doing here? Get.
Bajando.
And now I can do a record of this. You.
Planta 4.
What? Foot. Oh.
Aquí sí que no pueden entrar, están cambiando.
This ugly. This is sucks.
No, pues llevo aquí ya.
Where is this not?
No va a admitir.
And because he
Es que están cambiando, se están yendo a alguien y están llenando el ascensor
and we fall in this lift a lot.
y lo tienen pillado.
He always stops in the 4th floor. He not made a.
Planta 0.
In the ground floor.
Abriendo puerta.
Colleen.